Hi, I'm Johnny Kaplan and I'm here today with another unboxing video for the Gadget Flow in partnership with the Corey Group. Today's new exciting product is this Lumicharge, which is a phone dock and smart lamp which you put on your nightstand next to your bed. And now, if you're anything like I am, by the time you actually get to bed, you're absolutely exhausted. And the last thing you want to do is really look for the cable for your phone to plug it in. So what's great about this, it has a wireless charging top on it. You can sort of place your phone on the top. You can see it on the picture here. First thing we're going to do is get stuck in and open up the box. It comes in this lovely presentation box. You can see the picture here on the outside. So here you have all of the calendar and the various different settings here which we're going to show you. And here you can actually dock your phone on the bottom here. You can lay it on top for the wireless charging, and you can actually wave your hand over to activate the lamp if you want to sort of switch it on in the middle of the night. So let's get stuck in. So this is obviously the lamp base here. We're going to just unpack this. Do it delicately. It's a nice LED lamp. It's a nice design, as you can see, in this sort of gunmetal grey. And you can actually fold down the lamp to store it there. You can even fold it all the way down if you kind of want to keep it stored and you don't want to keep it upright. But let's just sort of get it upright and in position so we can test it out. There you have it, the Lumicharge is set up and ready to go. It's very, very simple to get started. The first thing that's noticeable is this lightning mark that they have on the base here. So we're going to switch on wireless charging. I'll get my phone out of my pocket. We'll drop my phone on top, and immediately it's telling me that it's charging my phone there. So that's extremely convenient. Obviously, in the middle of the night, the last thing you really want to do is go around searching for cables or to switch on a light. So this is very convenient. You drop your phone on top of the charging pad there, it started to charge, you remove it, it stops charging. What they've done is they've allowed you to have this dock station here. So actually, I can dock in my phone, and as you see, it started to charge there. In very similar fashion, if you don't have the wireless charging, you can actually dock your phone into the front of it. And I think that's a great function for any lamp that you should have sitting next to your bed. I mean, everybody's always got their phone with them, and you need it charged at all times. If you don't have an iPhone like I have, what they've conveniently done here is a rotative device here that you can actually switch between charging ports. So if you've got a micro USB, USB-C, which is a high-speed charging which comes out on all the latest products, and then of course the iPhone charging port there. So you can switch between those. Now, if you've got two devices, or if you're sleeping with a partner, you're able to actually put two devices in this. So you can charge one on the front there, and you can put one on the wireless charging stand on the back there. So you can actually charge two devices at the same time. This is the motion sensor. What you do, you simply wave your hand over the device, and as you wake up or you want to get up, go to the bathroom, whatever it is, you simply wave your hand over the motion sensor, it switches on the lamp and you're ready to go. Two wireless functions there, wireless charging and wireless switching on and off of the device. If we move up a little bit, you've got this display here, which again, infinitely practical, very helpful to have the time, the date. It has a barometer inside this device. You're able to tell what the temperature is at any given time. There's a little thermometer here to show you what's going on. And this display here is very, very convenient. They've got this very passive LED screen here, which is easy to look at in the dark. Now, what they've done is they actually offered you to change the power of this light in case it's, very bright for you, so you can turn up and down the brightness with these very simple controls they have here on the base. And on the other side, they actually have three modes. If you press the M button, you have three different types of light. So you might prefer this sort of blue ambience to this light compared to the first light. Certainly this one's a little bit more yellowy, so it really just depends on your taste there and your preference. But they've given you the functionality of this all in one very simple smart lamp. Very, very practical, very nice design. And actually you can use this for reading as well. So it tilts to the left, it tilts to the right. You can tilt down if you wanted to read a book or sort of check something with extreme detail. Very flexible and very practical. So really a wonderful product here. And something that I would certainly use. The LumiCharge is the first of its kind smart LED wireless charging lamp, and comes with a range of functions that make it infinitely practical and functional, and something that really makes a lot of sense to have on your desk or behind your bedside table. So it's quick reach to hand, and you can plop your phone on it, get charging, see what you're doing, and know exactly what time and date it is. Well, there you have it.